bet some of y'all saw it. It just kind of ran, had a rod knock. Actually wound up being a bent valve. I don't think y'all can see in there, but
This is the way it should sound.
First of all, this is Nas, I'm a brave hard celebrate. And y'all already know who I'm better than. Y'all know the beef in the hood, it'll never end. Never hit the club unless I get my Beretta in. So let her in. Short but not clear, more drama than the president with North
yeah, I'm getting there.
Getting drunk with Little
It's partially
John,
apart.
the loudest in the South. Fuck
Alright, no, it's been a while. Couldn't really video this while I'm trying to do this, but motor's out, transmission out. I swapped the brackets over so I can actually put my JDM transmission in. motor. I pretty much gotta take like the brackets off. A little bit of dumb stuff just so I can put it on the other motor. I think I ordered new coolant line. I'm gonna order some of these or better than that, have to buy one. Old transmission I thought was gonna blow up first. Actually outlasted my motor, so whatever. Well, I had this motor out a long time ago. There's a pin that goes in the transmission. I don't really know because I don't work on a lot of Subarus. Oh, you actually remove this piece right here with a bolt, which is kind of odd. I'm not real sure. There's a little bolt on the end of it and actually remove it. And, I guess probably today, maybe tomorrow, I'll have the actual motor transmission all put together. Start getting it all done. Still gotta pull the rear out and pull the axles. But beyond that, she's getting there. Guess like some of y'all said, it might be driving.